Planning to study in Canada? One of the key steps in your journey is preparing strong financial documents for your study permit application. Let's guide you through this crucial process. First, proof of funds. You need to demonstrate that you have enough money for tuition fees and living expenses for at least your first year in Canada. This includes bank statements, fixed deposits, education loans, or scholarships. Your bank statements are crucial. Make sure they show a steady balance and regular income sources, if any. Large, unexplained deposits can raise questions, so a gradual accumulation of funds is ideal. If you're taking an education loan, include a clear sanction letter from the bank stating the approved amount and loan terms. For scholarships or sponsorships, include the official letters that detail the amount and duration of the support. If you or your sponsor have a regular income, include documents like salary slips, tax returns, and employment letters to support your application. Ensure all your financial documents are consistent with other parts of your application, like your study plan and family ties. Make sure all document copies are clear, legible, and officially translated if necessary. If someone other than your parents is sponsoring your education, you may need an affidavit of support. Preparing your financial documents thoroughly is a vital step in your journey to studying in Canada. With the right preparation, you're on your way to success. For more tips, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.